Look what I have ordered from Aliexpress and cost me $28. And what is it? It's an electric screwdriver set, precision power tool kit, rechargeable, wireless, mini, small bits for mobile cell computer repair. It says that it's USB intelligent electric screwdriver, 600 mAh built-in battery, all copper powerful motor, high strength batch head and Type-C quick charge interface. And I got it. No bubbles. It's a big package. I have ordered orange. Nice package. Wow. Everything is organized. I like it. What it says in description: 600 milliamperes, built-in battery, charging time 90 minutes, duration 20 minutes, capacity 600. High quality lithium battery. Okay, positive and negative switch at will. The hand is one, of course. Anti-slip strong magnetic absorber. And let's find the torque. And here it is, electric torque from 3 to 3.5 kilogram per centimeter. Charging interface Type-C. Handle material aluminum alloy. Weight of the package is 310 grams. It comes in this very cool design of case, so you can keep your electric screwdriver, the instruction manual, the short USB to Type-C charging cable. Alright, and here it is, the guide. Electric screwdriver, USB battery 3.7 volts, Type-C, and nice LED effect showing that the rotating is this way and this is backwards. Alright, and take a look how many bits you get. So you will get 35 different bits. How cool is that? Beside the electric screwdriver, 35 extra bits. And here we have a secret compartment with some special plastic PVC tools for opening phones, for repairing smartphones, and these are nice. Alright, and I think this is a magnet. Let's try it. Yep. But what it's for? Oh, it says demagnetizer and magnetizer. Oh, so you can magnetize the bit like this or this. Nice future. I like it. Let's try one. Okay, it have a magnet. Nice, can you see it? And it's like a pan. Using my USB doctor USB meter, we're gonna find out with how much milliamperes is charging the screwdriver. 340 milliamps. 340 milliamps. Alright, can you work while charging? Yes. Great. Also, I'm gonna wait so you can see how much 50 grams. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's ideal. 50 grams. Alright. All screwdriver bits are marked with the special sign. Can you see that? And that is alright. I'm gonna use this one. And let's test it now on this smartphone. Good. Put it back. It's strong. Alright, let's try this one. Okay, and right now it's magnetized. Let's demagnetize. Where it says. Still work. Yep. The holes are for that, or let's try this way. Still work. This way. Nope. This doesn't work. The magnetizer, demagnetizer don't work. Or I'm not doing right. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. Let's put it back. Come on, man. Oh, it's super strong. Let's try this one. Okay. Still magnetized. Great. Come on, man. Alright. Oh, I figure out. When you pull out from the screwdriver, the bit is not magnetized. Look. But because of the tiny magnet inside the screwdriver, they attract the screws. Okay. I like those LED effects showing that the side of spinning. Okay. On the package are described all bits inside the set. Here are they. And the model is TKS001. Patented. Pro Touch multi-in-one tool set. So for the money, this electric wireless screwdriver is awesome. You get special plastic tools for opening smartphone, magnetizer, demagnetizer. I didn't know is it work properly. This device is amazing and it's a monster. Why and what is it? It's a iMAX RC B6 80 watts lithium nickel metal hydride nickel cadmium RC battery balanced digital charger. And it's not cheap from Aliexpress, it's around $15 US. And one of the functions of this charger is microprocessor controlled delta peak sensitivity, large range of charge currents, time limit function, input voltage monitoring, data storage up to 5 packs in memory, battery break and cycling, capacity limit, processing time limit, a lot of functions. What it says in the description: operating voltage from 10 to 20 volts, AC to DC adapter is needed. that will give from 10 to 20 volts at least 6 amperes. This device is 80 watts rated. Charge current from 0.1 to 6 amperes maximum. Discharge range from 0.0 to 2 amperes. Current drain for balancing lithium 300 mA per cell. Nickel cadmium, nickel metal hydride 1 to 15 cells for this kind of batteries. PB battery voltage from 2 volts to 20 volts, that is great. And in the package, beside the iMAX B6 charger, you will get a bunch of crocodile wires with banana plugs, 1, 2, 3 pairs. And here it is. I have this device for more than 5 years and is doing a great job and is a monster. It has a lot of functions for charging lithium batteries, nickel cadmium, nickel metal hydride, PB batteries, all kind of batteries, and it's a balanced charger. Remember that. Alright, I didn't order now. I have it, as I said, for more than 5 years, and it's one of the most selling or most proven chargers produced from China. Okay, this is the DC jack for input voltage. It says 11 to 18, in description was 10 to 20 volts DC voltage, at least 6 amperes. It has a temperature sensor. At front we have a LCD display, 16 characters by 2 rows, 4 push switches for selecting. We have a stop, status and enter, positive and negative female banana plugs, and here we have the balance charger socket. It can charge from 1 cell to maximum 6 cells lithium batteries. And that's it. It has a lead aluminum case, which is nice for cooling. And I'm gonna show you how it works and how charging the batteries. Let's start. Of course, I'm using this monster power adapter that gives 19 volts and 6 amperes. 19 volts, 6.3 amperes. At least if you have bigger than this, okay. Okay, powering in 3, 2, 1. Lift off. iMAX B6 charger. You can choose what kind of battery you want to charge. Nickel cadmium cycle, nickel cadmium charge, stop. You're gonna choose nickel metal hydride, lithium polymer. You can choose a program, load data, save data, PB battery for car battery, nickel cadmium, and here it is Lipo battery. Enter. And Lipo charge. You can choose the cells, how many cells you want to charge, and with how many amperes you want. This will be the test. This is my homemade power bank that gives 5 volts and 12 volts. Inside there are 3 cells by 3.7 volts, and fully charged it will give 12 volts. It shows on the voltmeter. And when you want to charge with balance, you need to connect positive and negative with positive negative, and also the balance charge socket cable from here to the battery. Here it is mine. Come on man, pull out. Alright, here it is. So I need to connect this connector for balance charge right here. Okay. And now positive and negative goes on positive and negative of my power bank. I'm gonna try it. Okay, now I'm gonna explain. We have 3S. You hold the stop button, choose Lipo, enter. You hold the enter and the amperes will blink. That means with how much current you want to charge the battery pack. 0.8 amps is enough. Press enter. You can choose how many cells. We have 3 cells, 11.1 volt, and then you hold the enter button to start charging. Battery check, wait, confirm, enter. It recognizes that there are 3 cells, enter, and look, it's charging with 0.45 amperes, and you can monitor all the 3 cells. Look, 4.2, 4.2, 4.19. It's almost fully charged. Alright, let's try something different. Stop charging. I'm gonna remove this connector. Okay. I'm gonna try single cell battery. Positive to positive, negative to negative. You leave it. As I said, you need to choose what kind of battery you are charging. Lipo, enter, hold it. 0.8 is too much for this battery. I'm gonna reduce to 0.5 amps, enter, choose how many cells, 1 cell, 3.7, and hold it on enter. Battery check, wait, confirm, 1 cell is recognized, and it start charging with 0.5 amps. And you can monitor the cell right here, 4.08 volts. Many functions. You can choose check time, sensitivity for nickel metal hydride batteries, nickel cadmium, the USB temp select, cut off, waste time, charging, discharging, 1 minute, safety timer. You can set a timer, let's say for 120 minutes, and after 2 hours the charger will stop charging. For safety, it have a capacity cut off. When reach the capacity, will turn off the charger, no more charging. You can turn off the beep, the buzzer, input power low. When the power for input, DC input, is low, will sound the buzzer. Right now we are at Lipo charge. You can choose Lipo balance, Lipo fast charging, Lipo storage, Lipo discharge. Let's test that. Enter with how many amps you want to discharge the battery. Let's say with 1.2 amperes, and the lower voltage, when we stop the discharging, you can set at 3 volts. It says you can set manually, okay, and hold it the enter. Battery check, wait, and it start discharging with 1.2 amperes, and it will discharge to 3 volts and stop. This is great. And you can see right here the capacity of the battery and the time. Alright. It's not a cheap gadget from Aliexpress, but believe me, this is a great universal battery charger. Maximum 6 amperes, $15 US from Aliexpress. Link will be in description below. Look what I have ordered from Aliexpress. And I'm excited that I receive it. And what is it? Such a big screen. It's a Aneng 613 model smart multimeter, real-time power-off measuring tester, AC/DC, ammeter, voltmeter, 4000 count digital multimeter test tools. And just letting you know, in different countries this model or this product is different, starting from $15 US, and you can pay maybe and $30 US. I pay $24 US. And I got it. Oh, I'm so happy. But no bubbles. And what is special about this multimeter? It have a big screen. Horizontal big screen, horizontal multimeter. It says that it's with AC/DC current measurement, milliampere, diode, hertz measure, AC/DC voltage resistance, capacitance, on-off beep. The model is 613 red. There is a black one. Alright. The instruction manual. And it comes with a bag. You can keep your multimeter in this bag, which is nice. Alright. Let's open. Wow! It's really big screen. I'm so excited. Of course it comes with the probes, the multimeter itself, and more instruction manuals in Chinese and English. This is nice. Let's open. Such a big screen, and it's horizontal. I never had a multimeter in horizontal position. Wow. And beside that is a multimeter. Look what it says. It have a perpetual calendar, time management, electronic alarm clock, and thermometer, and oh my god, this thing have everything. Real-time monitoring temperature and humidity. Cool. Looking nice. It have only 3 buttons on the top, nothing more. Oh, there is more. Mode, adjust, and you can choose Fahrenheit or Celsius. It have a holder. Nice. How many batteries? 2 of them. 2 AAA. This is AAA, but here it says AA, 1A, 2A. Funny. Oh, beeps. That means turning on. What? Take a look at the screen. It's so big. It have the date, the clock. It shows the temperature and the humidity. Let's turn it off. When it's off, still show the date, the time, the temperature and the humidity. That is nice. Alright. I like it. So far I like it. Turning on. Auto power off. On the front we have the leads that need to be placed for ground, positive, and when you're measuring amperes. 10 amperes, maximum 10 seconds. What does it mean 10 seconds? Okay, it have a light. Oh, just to kill the lights so you can see better. It's pretty cool. Turning off, turning on. Nice. With the buttons behind the multimeter you can choose and select alarm, set the time, date. Okay, let's do that first. I set the date, the month and the time, and now it's correct. And I like it very much. I'm gonna mention one more time, I never had a horizontal multimeter with so big numbers. Okay, on the top I said that it have one on-off button. Select, hold, and turning on the light. I'm gonna press on select, and you can choose DC voltage, measuring DC voltage 4000 counts, AC voltage through RMS, ohms, beeping signal or continuity, diode, and this one is for measuring capacitance, hertz, milliamperes, AC milliamperes, and back on auto. What? I like it very much. Okay, let's measure something. From my power supply I'm sending 12.7 volts to all three multimeters, and on the Fluke it shows 12.65, on the Aneng 613 model 12.72, and on this rechargeable multimeter ZL126 model 12.58 volts DC voltage. The most accurate and most close to the power supply is this one, 12.72 volts. Okay, hold it. Just to increase the voltage, let's say I'm gonna go with 17 volts, 17.1. Now the Fluke shows 17.04, that is close, 17.13, alright, and this one shows 16.96 volts. Alright, it's pretty close. I set the power supply to 1 volt, Fluke 1.004, the Aneng 1.01, and this one 0.999 volt. 1 volt. This is the most accurate right now. Alright. And with a simple wire I connect all the probes from the multimeters. Now is set on continuity or beeping signal. Let's see how fast it is. It's fast, super fast. .2 ohms, 0.1, It's great. Let's measure the diode. Is it okay? This is the Schottky. This is not showing right now. And this way, yes, 0.192. This way is the same. Okay, working fine. The diode tester. It can measure AC current from range 400 milliamperes to 10 amperes, resistance from 400 ohms to 400 ohms, resolution 0.1 ohm to 40 mega ohms, capacitance from 40 nanofarads to 40 microfarads. The frequency range is up to 4 megahertz, and that's it. Let's measure a capacitor. It's a 100 nanofarad capacitor, and it shows 109 farads. Good. I forgot to test, does it light up the LED when it's tested? Yes. And it shows 2.58 voltage drop. Good. Nice. Okay, right now I'm measuring the AC voltage, and it's measured 235 volts AC voltage. 000 235 volts. Alright. Now it's set on amperes. The probe is on the spot where it says 10 amperes, connecting the bulb. Right now I'm sending, let's increase the amperes. I'm sending 5 volts and it's pulling 0.9 amperes. Let's increase the voltage a little bit to 10 volts maybe, and it's pulling 1.35 amperes. He's doing a great job. Alright, the ammeter work great also. It's horizontal, man. I like it. 000 1.38 amperes. Great. Also measure milliamperes. And beside that is a multimeter. The other function is auto power off, calendar with alarm clock, temperature and humidity. It have a holder which is nice. You can adjust that. Light, power off. When it's off, the clock and the temperature and the humidity stay on the screen. And probably this will be the most amazing multimeter on my bench, and it's pretty cheap. In some countries will be little bit more expensive. I get it for $24 from Aliexpress. The link will be in description below so you can check it. And I'm pretty sure that you don't have this horizontal multimeter. Alright. Power on. I can hear that inside there is a relay when I'm choosing different options. Right now the relay have activated when it chooses DC and on auto. Alright. Take a look what I ordered from Aliexpress for $1. And what is it? It's a professional electrician wire tool cable wire cutter crimper automatic HX6C model. In description it says that it have 11 functions, this plier professional tool, and it looks amazing. I got it. Bubbles. What? What is this? A broken part from the handle. But from where? Oh, right here. Never mind, it's a small piece. Whoop. Nice and feeling nice. It's metal with plastic handles and a lot of 11, to be precise, functions that you can make with these pliers and crimper. Okay, let's test it. On Aliexpress you can find a lot of these professional electrician pliers with different prices, but this model is most sold with 1000 plus sold. Alright, okay. On top we have the pliers, we have the wire strippers holes from 0.8 to 3 millimeters. We have two branches right here with different dimensions. We have a cutter in the middle. Also here we have a blade for stripping wires. This is the breaker. Nice. This is for twisting the wires together. You can twist 4 wires at once. At bottom we have the crimper. Alright. Also the wire stripper knife blade right here. You can see that. It's nice. Okay. Great. Okay. Very easy. What? Okay. With this wire stripper or cutter you can strip the wires like this. Easy. As I mentioned, this is a wire splitter. Alright, and you can split the wires and then like this. Let's try the twister for 4 wires. I'm gonna try that. It will be complicated, but let's try it anyway. Okay, I'm ready. And yes, it works. Okay. Good. And last that I'm gonna use is the crimper. Let's crimp, for example, these two wires. Put it like here and press it real hard. It's good. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 sizes for crimping. Alright. And also you can do one more time. Let's try it. Yes. Good. Let's count the functions. At front we have the pliers for tightening. We have the wire stripper 2, cutter 3, 2 wrenches 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3 tools right here. 11. It's correct. From Aliexpress for $1. In some countries will be more than $1, maybe $3, $4, or $5, depending in which country you are. The price is different. You can get this tool from Aliexpress. The link will be in description below, so you can check it. I hope you liked today's video presentation of this very useful electrician tool. Give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!